How to open Payoneer account in Saudi Arabia. To open up a Payoneer account as a Saudi Arabian, just launch the Payoneer application first. Now, no matter whichever country you're from, you should be able to sign up without any sort of issues. After you launch the Payoneer app, just wait until the app has loaded up successfully first. Once the app has loaded up, tap on the register button from the very bottom of the screen. Now here, you can select whether you're an individual running your own business or whether you own or represent a registered company. I will select I'm an individual running my own business, then tap the next option. Simply select where you are located, and in this case, of course, we want to enter Saudi as their respective country. Now, once you've done this, tap the next option where you can simply describe your online business as an online seller, small or medium-sized business, or freelancing or service provider. Then tap the next option. You can select how would you like to use Payoneer to get paid, send payments and more, or to send payments only via card, bank transfer and more option. Then tap on the next option. And once you've done that, tap on the next option and you can select where will the money you receive to Payoneer come from marketplaces or businesses or customers. Then tap on the next option. Once you've done all of that, which marketplace, of course, you can enter any of these details, then tap the next option. Then once you've done that, you can see our Payoneer account will be created and you can simply enter your email and password to basically finish signing up for your Payoneer account. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and to subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.